Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome. A very, very good evening to one and all. Now this is fittingly the evening that we've all been waiting for. This is Priyesh Palkar, your co-host, and I'm only elated and stoked to welcome this mesmerizing and this beautiful pool of people right here for the Navbharat Influencer Summit 2025.
We want to thank all those little things that actually help us push on an everyday basis और जिनको शायद हम उतना तवज्जो नहीं देते. For example, my LED light or my screen when I'm hosting a virtual show. I do blow off a lovely flying kiss after I have a successful show. So हम क्या करेंगे? We are bringing the mic opportunity to all of you to say a big thank you and offer gratitude to the little things.
Now is the time that we all been waiting for. Profoundly and courageously and with all the humble efforts that you put in. So before we get started with the Navbharat Influencer Summit 2025, it is only right to be calling in the pillars, the founding members and the stalwarts who are going to be embarking onto the stage and taking the limelight. Ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, please join me in welcoming Shri A. Srinivas, Group President, Navbharat Navrashtra Group. Shri Sanjay Tiwari, Executive Editor, Navbharat Group.
We have our guest of honor who has already made his presence. Let's applaud his magnanimous presence. Member of Lok Sabha, Shri Anurag Thakurji is amongst us. We welcome you, sir. Shri Nimesh Maheshwari, Managing Editor, Navbharat, to kindly.
And also, joining him on the stage, can we have the member of Lok Sabha, Shri Anurag Thakurji as well. The biggest youth influencer and also the ex-cabinet minister.
Seen her already right here taking this beautiful space, and let her now take the center stage. Can we have the iconic, the scintillating, the wonderful, the beautiful Neena Gupta?
Yes, Neena ji, looking absolutely phenomenal, absolutely gorgeous. It is only my pleasure to be sharing this space with you. Please make some noise there. Look at her, how beautiful and gorgeous she's looking.
Thank you so much, Navbharat Group, for this award.
Congratulations, and I think आप इस बार की प्रतिभा दे रहे हो कि कोई भी नई चीज शुरुआत करने के लिए किसी भी एज का कोई बंधन नहीं होता. And you are a true testament to I knew this was
just
coming.
because all the awardees are here young, या तो बुलाओ नहीं या बुलाओ तो एज मत बोलो. अच्छी वाली जा रही थी मैं.
Absolutely. I've grown up watching all your movies, and I think I'm still that young kid within myself. But thank you so much, Neena ji, for blessing this occasion with your magnanimous presence tonight.
Additional Director General of Police, Shri Krishna Prakash. Look at that stalwart, that personality. I'm sure it is intimidating of many tonight. Welcome, sir. It is such a pleasure and honor to have you on the stage.
Go to the next category, which is entertainment. Do I say it 3 times? No, I think we have enough tonight to say it just once.
This is beautiful. Navbharat, thank you so much. Free and fair awards. Great to be here. Wonderful time. But मैं working women's hostel में काम करता हूँ, so I have to go back there. It shuts at 9 o'clock. So thank you again. Thank you all doing very well. Anurag ji से मैंने कहा because he has great influence in cricket. अगर मौका मिला तो can I play the Delhi Test match for West Indies?
That is bad manners. No,
Yes.
I can't do that.
Yeah,
Thank you so much,
I think I need
Cyrus.
to grab my co-host back because she's gonna go on with Cyrus there. All right, Cyrus, thank you so much. It was such a pleasure, and Cyrus being Cyrus, that is all we wanted tonight. Well, thank you. Thank you for that lovely entertainment. And with that, let's move on to the next award, and which is the honor of excellence in movie critic. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Kumar Nahata. The producers are really scared of you, sir. And many congratulations. So sorry for picking and choosing favorites, but I have to say what it is. Ladies and gentlemen, the next one is the dynamic star of Marathi entertainment. Inviting on the stage with a huge round of applause, Sarang Sate. And it is up that roar by all the musicians. Sarang Bhau, खूप छान, खूप अभिनंदन आणि खूप छान वाटतं आणि गर्व वाटतं तुम्ही जे काम करता आणि congratulations. You know for what? Congratulations once again. श्रुती जी, खूप छान दिसताय आणि खूप उत्कृष्ट काम तर तुम्ही करतातच. आम्ही तुम्हाला सर्वांनी पाहिलंच आहे. दोन शब्द तुमच्याकडून ऐकायला नक्कीच आवडेल. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, I'm having my fan moment, by the way. I'm living up to it.
आदरणीय व्यासपीठ आणि इथे उपस्थित सगळ्यांना माझा नमस्कार. खूप छान वाटते आज हा नवभारत आणि नवराष्ट्रकडनं हा पुरस्कार मिळाल्यानंतर. थँक्यू.
Thank you. It is
जय महाराष्ट्र.
Jai Maharashtra, of course. Thank you so much, Shruti, and many congratulations. And with that, one more Marathi tadka je घेऊन येत आहेत. Ladies and gentlemen, the most loved Marathi actress of the year, and the winner is Gautami Deshpande. Gautami, you've been receiving a lot of love on the silver screen and all the work that you're putting in. But हमें insider खबर मिली है कि आपका स्वर भी अच्छे लगते हैं. सही है? I mean, you might be knowing it best. You are her neighbor right now. So why don't you just enrich us with your beautiful melodies?
I'll sing one Marathi song.
Yes, we would demand a Marathi song from you. Come on.
Stunning, beautiful song, and what a beautiful
Super.
voice.
Gautami,
Congratulations.
pretty sure, look at the applause and the smile from the other singer out there. She's applauding, which means, yeah, everyone is happy, and you've done so much justice to the song and the music as well. Thank you, Gautami, for blessing us with your melodious voice. With that, we move to the next winner, which is the iconic emerging star in Marathi entertainment. And the winner is Monica Dabane.
सीधा जाके लेफ्ट ले चाय बना सबको पिला.
Incredible, give it for Anandar Bar. Next award is for the breakout comic of the year male. And the winner is Jagjot Singh. Well, do not mistake Amit Shah for this Amit Shah. I know all the eyebrows might have raised for now. But yeah, we are looking at the senior sports journalist, and I think gentleman is covering India versus West Indies in Delhi right now as we speak. And moving on to the next award, ladies and gentlemen, is for the most impactful fashion personality, and the winner is Srishti Munka. Jory is looking stunning, and nazar na lage bolna कहना पड़ेगा मुझे actually जाके. But thank you so much for all the entertainment that you provide, and many congratulations on this prestige. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the next winner is Sonal Kaushal. What's coming? We all know what is coming.
रेमोन, नोबिता मेरा सबसे अच्छा दोस्त है.
दोस्तों, मैं हूँ छोटा भीम और मैं ढोलकपुर से आया हूँ. आज मुझे अवार्ड मिला है. Thank you.
This we move to the next category, which is education and teacher. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the educator duo of the year, one of my favorites as well, presenting Abhi and Neil.
Thank you so much for this award. Thank you for honoring us.
And I think the life has come only full circle for you that you're coming and collecting award from Navbharat.
Indeed.
Congratulations, Abhi and Neil. Well, with this, let's move to the next category, which is again movie reviewer. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of Viewer's Choice Film Critic of the Year, male, and the award goes to Yogesh Rokde. Viewer's Choice Film Critic of the Year, female, and the winner is Monica Sharma. Congratulations, Monica. And everyone who's draped a sari, taken all the efforts, are looking absolutely gorgeous and phenomenal. Thank you for the efforts and making this stage an even prettier and a gorgeous one. To all the ladies out there, thank you so much. Absolutely heard it on the screen. That's low applause, such low energy. No, I don't think so. Because they are here to be winning the best light act of the year. Ladies and gentlemen, with a thunderous round of applause, can we have Balak, Muchal and Mithun? Take the mantle to the next category, and just taking a leaf out of Aishwarya's book, she definitely mentioned about greener, cleaner environment, which means we are also embarking upon sustainability. Ladies and gentlemen, the next winner is for the Sustainability Rising Star of the Year female, and the winner is Arushi Sana. Here she is. Congratulations, Arushi. Mr. Akshat Gupta, let me tell you, I am on Hidden Hindu Part 3. I'm gonna get this copy signed by you, definitely. Such a fan moment for me.
Thank you from you. आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम. अनुराग भैया बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. नवभारत को ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं.
Parenting advice. Now we know which channel to head to and which social media to follow. Ladies and gentlemen, Ishina Sadna, the parenting mentor of the year. A visionary leader and change maker,
serves as the UAE School Ambassador and is also a TEDx speaker and has been recognized for her remarkable contributions. Many congratulations, Arushi Sanam. You'll be applauding for your counterparts because they deserve this applause and recognition from their colleagues, friends, or probably competitors as well. In the right spirits, come on, a huge round of applause to all the winners until now, ladies and gentlemen. The most influential female explorer and wellness advocate. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Simran Fulas Jain.
First time FC 2020.
Thank you.
And importantly, recognizing the versatility that I bring to the table. And also, I would want to thank the universe for conspiring this journey that I would have never believed to have happened and allowing me a deep divine dive, and which is nothing short of soul feeding. Thank you, universe. Thank you to everyone in this journey.
Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you. Sanjay Tiwari sir, you've been doing it right from the word go. Thank you so much once again for honoring us with your humble presence. And now, ladies and gents, big thank you to Woodcraft Events and Entertainment for putting up a spectacle and making sure this event goes seamless. Many congratulations to this fantastic team, to all our sponsors. And thank you everyone. Thank you to the photographers, videographers, and everyone making this a huge success. Along with my co-host, this is Priyesh Palkar signing off. Until next time, it's a goodbye. God bless, and once again, thank you.